Whatever you're creating identifiers, numbers that you're sharing with the marketplace, with your trading partners, let's say it's an invoice number or purchase order number or a serial number, those IDs need to be actually linked to you yourself, because we need to know you issued them, so we can, if there are any questions about them, we know you're the authoritative source of those as well. So it's a very simple, the implementation standard is very simple. What DFMC services has done is very, very clever, is finding a way to leverage the standards, to anonymize the data between the different exchanges, so that all exchanges benefit by removing these phantom loads, by removing loads that are actually not there, which, when you think of it, it's very frustrating if you're a carrier, you're looking at a marketplace and you're not sure how many of those loads are real. I'm going to waste my time, responding to requests for quotes on a load when, quite frankly, I don't know if it really exists or not. And the same thing on both sides. So this very simple process, very simple application of standard really makes the system work that much better. And that's a common trait of standards, things that we all agree on. So we all gain and get the boost of the efficiency for everybody. Like the tides, rising tide lifts all boats. It's the same thing. Standards have that effect, that they allow us all to operate in a more efficient manner across different systems. And yes, ISO, we provide audits to companies to look at their data, a whole range of their data, see whether it's actually performing as they expect it to perform, and if they're going to make improvements, where should they improve and how should they do that? So the quality of data is really important to everything we do. It's been like the lifeblood of our commerce today, of digital transformation. So this process is an integral part of digital transformation. It's a very important part.
So Peter, we have one question in the Q&A that I think you're best suited to answer. It's, why was DFM Data chosen to support these ISO standards?
It's actually the way the standards work. Somebody has to come up with the standards, right? That's usually, you say, well, who came up with it? It's basically, there has to be a problem out there, and an organization identifies the problem. They look at it and they say, well, this is not working as well as it could do, and I think I have a solution for it. But to do that, to implement my solution, I'm going to need cooperation across a large number of organizations. And that's where standards come in.